Hello viewers, this is your most admiring person who admire you the best because of your that attitude of following others with some deep thought. This is S. Rahman to communicate you with some new ideas once more today. I am going to talk about as to how people have given their responsibility, handed over the responsibility to some crooked people to deal with country's future and present both. We have been watching with a very pathetic experience that presently the politicians have taken the country as their jagirs. They are misusing their power and just creating a certain great vacuum between the common citizens and them. And by taking the power in their hands, they are using the natural resources and national resources for gratification of their personal all joys and achievement of power by any means. As money begets power, that's why they are generally interested in accumulating more and more wealth by any means, and this enormous accumulation of wealth has degraded the standard of our politics. In different state assembly elections, we see the big leaders are just hankering after or pouncing over the source of earning, and they are trying their best to befool people with their false promises and false propaganda. This has reduced the standard of our politics, and presently the ethnic violence and communal violence, both the things are rampantly used by the politicians for their personal benefit. And it is very unfortunate that the common people are not capable to understand the evil plan, the crooked plan of these politicians. They are getting easily carried away. They are getting wavered from the path of humanity, and they are getting involved in just creating more and more violent situation for the sake of their personal gratification of all egos. This attitude has reduced their standard as inhuman people, bestial people. But unfortunately, the people of our country are opting for this. We noticed in a very recent time, George Floyd, a very common black person, when he was mercilessly beaten by the police, the common people, they raised their voice against these atrocities of the policemen. Here in our country, the police are working as the British policemen, and they are misused by the government to carry on all sort of atrocities and merciless beating of the commoners. The citizens themselves are like the foreigner here, and the rulers are the autocratic dominant ruler of our country. And this situation is not very healthy for the proper continuation of democracy. Our country has been ruled very recent years by some oligarchic leaders. They believe in oligarchy. They don't have any faith in democracy. That's why they are preparing a group of hooligans, preparing a group of all these bestial people, those who don't have any sense of rationality, neither have any moral standard for humanitarian cause. And such condition will ruin our country's future, and it will just disrupt not only the peace and serenity of the country, this will just destroy the very base of a democratic setup. I expect that you don't get carried away. You must not get carried away by these evil politicians, evil practices and propaganda. You use your mind, use your sense, and be a sensible person, and so that you can feel that you are truly Indians, and you should not feel repentant for your any sort of evil action that you are going to do without using your sense. And I know that the people, those who are educated ones, those who have their cultured mind, they are not getting involved in this. But people, those who are educated, but they are remaining as silent spectators. They are not making the other ignorant and all those evil-minded people to come to their rationality. That's why these silent spectators, educated people, are also working like the criminals. That's why it is an essential part of our responsibility that we must talk to others. We must convince man to man. We must convince every young person, those who are not really working reasonably or rationally for the sake of our country's freedom, for the sake of our country's prestige and honor, and to continue our country's dignity as a democratic country. I expect that you should feel for it. You should use your mind to just carry on anti-campaigning activities and by criticizing the evil practice of the government. One has to take responsibility. Without taking responsibility, you cannot ensure any good future for your next generation. Thank you all for watching. If you understand any of these things, then share it or give your like and subscribe my feelings so that I can communicate my feeling with you on the other days. Thanks.